Well, hello, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Tom, I do Disney, hence the name of this channel, Tom Does Disney. And this is weekly vlog number 5. We're here at the Animal Kingdom, where I have been running around getting some pretty awesome B-roll today, out here underneath the Tree of Life. I'm a little shocked again today at how busy the crowd levels are, and we're going to discuss that kind of as the day goes on. Sorry for how kind of blown out the shot is. It's as good as I could get it. Let's jump into the vlog. So curiously, I just saw a cast member go into this door right here, and I want to make 2 observations about it. One, the AC inside of Nemo is kicking as though this building's being used or something. Also, why would a cast member go in there? I would assume, and I've been wrong about this, but I'm assuming that these shows are gradually coming back and perhaps preparations happening inside. So on the live stream the other day, I tried this basketball game over here, and I 2 for 3 of my shots. You have to get 3 for 3 to get the large prize. I figured I'm here, I might as well give it a shot. Let's see how I do. I did better on the stream. I did 2 for 3, and both of those I only got 1. But what's nice is as long as you sink 1 basket, you get one of the plushies. And technically each game is $5, so it's like $5 for a plushie, which I think is a very good deal. The trick for me is going to be, now that I've got most of the 1 baskets, if I keep winning them, what am I going to do with all of them, you know? I'm going to have to do them as like giveaways. Wow, this thing is loud when it goes down, huh? Holy crap, I was just screaming over that thing. What's up, Nico? What a delicious little meal we just had here at Yak Andy Eddie. The sun has almost set here in Pandora, almost. We're in that golden hour, as you can tell by this golden looking footage right here. Fun little fact, this hole right here, it's got a banshee in it. So as I continue to wait for the sun to go down here in Pandora, I do just want to talk about the crowd levels here today. They were very busy, just like Magic Kingdom the other day, just like Epcot the other day, just like Hollywood Studios the other day. I continue to feel like the parks are just insanely busy. I'm dying for Disney to bring back Fast Pass, as I know a lot of people are. All in all, I took a week off from coming to the parks, and when I got in here today, just seeing the crowd levels, I was just like, you know, what the heck? I know it's weekends and I'm happy to see them busy again, but things like Fast Pass, these things need to come back, and they need to come back fast in order for me to feel like I'm getting the most bang for my buck. If I can't have parades, if I can't have meet and greets, I can't have fireworks, I can't have Pandora at night unless I wait an hour and a half past when the park closes. There's so much of what I love that's not there, and I'm paying full price for my annual pass. There's no discount. So just all in all, as a proud DVC owner and annual pass holder, a guy who gives Disney a lot of my money and I spend a lot of time here, I'm just not ultra impressed with the lack of them listening to us. Well, good night. I'm the last person out of this joint this evening, which I haven't done in a very long time. The last time I was the last person out of Animal Kingdom was circa about a year ago. I do want to make one point. We are only about an hour and 45 minutes past the park's closing, which in my opinion is not a very long time after the park's closing, considering I've been in Disney parks 2-3 hours past their closing. I was very surprised to see cast members in such a rush to get out of here today. I will say thank you to the Pandora cast members for letting me hang out there and getting that beautiful time lapse that you got to see. But all in all, I'm a little surprised because, again, 28,000 cast members have lost their jobs, right? The people that are here should be super happy to be here. Just my 2 cents. I was a little shocked about that. Anyway, I had a good time, and I was not, like, by any means the only person. There was a couple families up in Pandora doing the exact same thing that I did. Anyway, it was just weird.
Everyone, face coverings must fully cover your nose and mouth and be worn at all times, except when actively eating or drinking while stationary.
And
Guests that do not comply will be asked to leave. Wash your hands often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distancing. Thank you for your cooperation.
All right, I think I was following all those rules. You will note that Disney has changed their verbiage a little bit in that latest announcement to say, if you are not wearing your mask properly, you will be asked to leave. So anyway, guys, that's gonna do it from here at the Animal Kingdom tonight. I hope you enjoyed. I sure did. Last person out of a park, not what I expected on a Saturday night. Smash the like button, comment down below. Have you been enjoying the vlog so far? And has this been your favorite one? Comment whatever the heck you want. Much love, and I will see you in the next one.